It's been an amazing experience. I've absolutely loved every second of being here. I don't even want to go home.
My expectation was that we get some theoretical input and also that we will do some exercises together. Both of this happened and the professor was really nice.
I really enjoyed learning about cross-cultural communication and negotiation. I love learning from the experiences of my international classmates, and I was really impressed with the overall professionalism of the staff that helped us throughout this program.
The winter school here has been really informative, and it's been really an advantage to my career, so I definitely recommend.
I mean, I was blown away. I've had so much fun. The program has been so great. I absolutely love how we've been able to constantly be with the buddies and learn about their culture firsthand from local students, and so that's probably one of my favorite parts.